In this review, we will take an in-depth look at GoHighLevel's features, pricing, and user experience to help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. So to get started with the GoHighLevel. So what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is like a swift hammer knife for your online business. It has a bunch of marketing tools all in one place. You can use it to build website, run marketing campaign, even talk to your customers. It's a great for small business and marketing agencies who want to do more about hiring a whole time. If you have your own business and needs help with marketing and sales, GoHighLevel might be GoHighLevel might be of help. So that's it. So talking about the top benefit of the GoHighLevel, one of the top benefits is no more juggling multiple tools. GoHighLevel combines everything you need from landing page to sale funnel in one platform. It saves times and money, especially for small business owner and marketing agency. And also it has a user-friendly interface to make it more easier to access, and also give access to powerful automation which help you automate your market efforts to save time and focus on what matters most. Set up workflow, triggers, and campaign that runs on autopilot. So to give access to the CRM capabilities, which help you build and nurture customers' relationship with GoHighLevel's built-in CRM, which help you track lead, manage contact, and also send personalized messages. And here's one of the best features about this platform, which is the building the digital marketing engine, which help you almost every time. It works like magic. It help you build your entire marketing system in one place. And also you have access to this best feature, which is capture new leads, with nurture leads into customers and fully automated booking. And that is, you also get more about this, which is the most exceptional features, which is to create a membership areas. And talking about the pricing plan for this, we have two pricing plan, which is the starter and the ultimate. So if you want more about this pricing tag for this website, just go to their website just to get more information about their pricing plan. So talking about the pros and cons, so the pros, which is the key important features about this website, all-in-one solution. They have all-in-one solution in the platform, and the user, they have this nice and friendly interface with a powerful automation tools and extensive integration and active community support. Now talking about the downside, it has a very steep learning curve. It's also a pricey for some and limited customization. That's it. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this GoHighLevel website. Thank you.